to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wild. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now, right now, right now. Get it right now, right now. Get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be showing you an extreme afternoon clean with me today. Our apartment tends to get the worst around 2 or 3 in the afternoon, and since it's such a small space, it feels very overwhelming. This is the time of day where I'm preparing for Will to get home from work. I start thinking about what I'm gonna make for dinner, and I just tidy up the apartment so that he will never know how bad it got while he was gone. If you are in need of some extreme cleaning motivation, keep watching. As you can see, I have an ungodly amount of laundry to get folded, so I went ahead and piled it all into one basket so it wouldn't seem as intimidating. I'm just going to start out by straightening my living room and putting everything back in its place. Now that I'm working from home for a while, things get pretty messy as I'm just trying to basically survive right now. So I do everything from this little spot on the couch, and my coffee cup, as well as a few other dishes, pile up on these coffee tables. So I'm just going to get all of these things, put them back where they go, and fluff these couches back up.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Right now, get it right now, right now, right now. Get it right now, right now, get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be kissing.
I hate that I do this to myself, but once again, I've allowed my laundry to pile up before folding it. So here I am trying to get this all under control. I believe this is about 3 loads of laundry, so if you are behind on your laundry as well, come on and fold with me, and that will be one less thing on your to-do list for today.
I don't wanna play the quiet time when I'm near you.
If you saw my laundry room makeover, these are the baskets that I bought to help organize my towels. So I just put all of my hand towels in one, washcloths in another, and I use one for all of my cleaning rags. I'm using the rolling method now rather than folding them all, and so far it's worked out great.
I'm not gonna defend my beating heart.
pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. Talk to me, just talk to me. Talk to me, 'cause I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
I have been vacuuming my living room floor about every other day just to get up anything we might be carrying in from outside. I'm trying to be extra cautious since the world is so crazy right now, so I'm just going to get that taken care of real quick before I move on.
Is where you wanna be, so why do you keep testing me? It just isn't worth my
Right here, I'm going to light a vanilla bean candle that I bought from TJ Maxx a while back, and I forgot how good this thing smells. I usually go with the warmer food scents in the fall and winter time, but since I'm stuck at home most of the time, this vanilla scent is making it feel extra cozy in here.
I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. Hey. I'm taking my toothbrush. How does that feel? Tell me how this can't be real. You're talking in riddles. Just let it go. And trust me if you.
Now I'm just going to sort this laundry into lights, darks, and towels. This is the only dirty laundry basket we keep, and it works perfect for us because since I am such a procrastinator when it comes to laundry, I can't wait too long or this thing starts overflowing. I have so much fun in this room now that it is just how I like it, and if you have not seen my laundry room makeover video yet, I will link that below so you can go and check it out because it was a huge transformation.
I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. You're more to me than just a friend. I'm telling you, I'm not doing this again. I'll let you win. I'ma let you win. Yeah.
I'm just going to use my hand vacuum to quickly vacuum up my slipper fuzz in the hallway, and then we will move on to the bathroom.
I'll let you win.
The bathroom wasn't too bad, but I'm just going to wipe down the countertops with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the honeysuckle scent, of course, and then I'm going to Windex the water splash marks off the mirror.
It's never ending. Don't let it get.
By the way, these glasses I'm wearing are blue light glasses that I found on Amazon for like 12 bucks. I was going back and forth from working on my computer to cleaning the apartment, so I just kept them on. And now that I'm working on my computer way more often, I've noticed my eyes are getting pretty strained, so I figured it was time to invest in some of these. So far, I have noticed a huge difference in the way my eyes feel at the end of the day, so I would seriously recommend them. And I will try to find them on Amazon and link them in the description below for you. Okay, moving on to the kitchen. I guess we had spilled some tomato sauce or something on the rug right here, so I'm just going to take some Resolve carpet cleaner and scrub it out with warm water. I've always had really good luck with the Resolve products. The seats in my car are tan and they are really hard to keep clean, but anytime I use Resolve on them, the stains come right out. The tomato sauce came right up and my rug lives to see another day.
I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember?
I'm just going to quickly finish loading my dishwasher and then use the lavender Mrs. Meyer's dish soap to scrub out my sink.
So keep on dancing, baby. We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving to the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
I like to take this stove apart a few times a week to deep clean the burner rings, but today I'm just going to spray it down with some Windex and shine it up because we are about to cook dinner again in just a few minutes and I didn't want to have to completely re-scrub out all of those burner rings. The wipe down did cut down on the mess that I had to clean up after dinner though, so that was nice.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me?
This little bar top area is kind of our catch-all space as well as my workspace once in a while, so I have to clean this off multiple times a day. And once I get this all cleared off, I'm just going to wipe it down with some Mrs. Meyer's.
Baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you
of emotions.
I'm just gonna give my floors a quick sweep and then I'm done. I am now ready to cook dinner and relax for the evening. I absolutely love the feeling I get after completing a good afternoon clean. It gives me a huge sense of accomplishment and it's just a huge relief when it's time to settle down for the night. Thank y'all so much for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one.